if I have to honestly answer this question, I would be very pessimistic about it, because we all know that on May 18th, Nimas and the group carried an expedition to, and they reached the summit on May 18th on Mount Kanchenjunga. But recently we have come to know that on May 23rd, there was another incident of a Pakistani national climbing Mount Kanchenjunga and hoisting the flag there. So I would say we are very pessimistic about it, and we really hope that the state government and the central government works diligently and seriously in this matter.
So who is the Pakistani national? Who is she or he?
Her name, the Pakistani national name would be, just give me a sec. Her name is Naila Kaini. Her name is Naila Kaini, and she reached the summit on May 23rd, 2025.
Pakistan being on one side, but I think despite our Chief Minister also writing to the Home Minister concerning the same, has the issue not been resolved still?
It seems the issues have not been resolved, because see, for the issue to be resolved, you have to diligently pursue it. Now it is on the onus of the state government whether they are serious about this matter or not. If they are serious, see, they don't have to do something extraordinary, because as far as Sikkim is concerned, we already have an RC or a resident commissioner in Delhi. The government, the state government, all has to do is involve the RC and make sure that he's serious about this matter and diligently pursue the matter in the Ministry of Home as well as in Ministry of External Affairs. If it does that, then yes, we can hope for a resolution or a resolvement of this as early as possible.
You also opted for the legal proceedings of these things, because it is the violation of places of worship act. So are you pursuing this legally also?
See, to tell you the matter of fact, we want the state government to legally follow this route, because see, it is the duty of the state government to be responsible for the citizens of a state. So I think if the state government pursues it, it would be better. Because see, last time when there was a similar incident in regards to one of the sacred lake which was against the Places of Worship Act 1991, the case is regarding the Khichipuri Lake. At that period of time, see, when you fight legally in the court, whether it is High Court or a Supreme Court, there is a lot of money that is involved. And at that period of time, our convener had to sell his land to fight the case. Though we won the case, but he had to sell the land to pay the fees of the advocates. So the state government has all the resources. It is just their intent. If they truly wish good for people of Sikkim, I think they should show us, the citizen of Sikkim, by taking up this case legally.
However, you have also accused a couple of legislators here who, speaking on the issue, highlighted only the expedition being taken from the Nepal side and not Sikkim side. How do you react to this?
I wouldn't say it as an accusation. I think they might be unaware of it. No, see, what you have to understand is, when you talk about something, you have to have at least a knowledge about what you are talking about. The issue that we are talking about is Mount Kanchenjunga, the climbing of Mount Kanchenjunga at the peak. See, the route doesn't matter to us. It is the peak that matters. Because every time, all the time, what it has been was the expeditioners saying our religious belief and respecting our religious belief has always not climbed the summit. They have always climbed till at least 10 meters below or 20 meters below the summit. So that was a kind of respect to our religious identity that they had shown us. So what the legislature didn't understand was, the path is not important, the summit is important.
Somehow or the other, only SIBLAC is raising this issue, and it's very much likely that this might be swept under the carpet. How do you see the progress of the issue in the days and the months to come? Will you rest? How do you go about it now?
See, we have been diligently following the case. Today itself and day before, last week, I visited numerous offices regarding the same, and I have talked with lots of secretaries regarding what is the status on, what is the stand on this thing, what is the stand of the government, what is the stand of the department. See, we as a socio-political organization, right? We as a socio-political organization always believe that the things that matters to us and Sikkim are more important to us. So we will diligently follow our course of action. If the state governments swept under the carpet, then I think the people of Sikkim will understand that the state government is not for the people of Sikkim. They are just here for the chair.
SIBLAC is organizing special ritual on 15th or 16th. So, what's the reason behind this?
See, as we said, we believe Mount Kanchenjunga to be our guardian deity. Therefore, since there has been numerous ascent to Mount Kanchenjunga, our religious belief holds that they have desecrated, they have defiled and scarred the sanctity of Mount Kanchenjunga. So, according to our belief, we have to purify and appease the deity. Therefore, we are holding this puja, which is on 15th of this month, and we cordially invite everybody to participate in this event.